Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Passion He Profession with new and interesting blog. Today I am going to take you through my home tour. This is our semi-furnished rented flat with 2 bedrooms, hall and kitchen. This is the upper view of my hall, which has got different colors of lights and 2 fans. I feel that to make the house beautiful, we have to organize and maintain it well. This is the entrance of my house. In the left side, we have wooden key hanger, which is painted by me. And in the right side, there is a shoe rack on which we kept indoor plant with decorative toys. In the opposite side of entrance, we have got a hanger with the names of Allah and Muhammad, peace be upon him. In the top right view, we have a beautiful painting. This is the customized 3-seater sofa with 2 puppies, which can be used as a center table or as a stool. Here you can see we have used the runner on the puppies, and we have kept the golden color plate with the bottle which has fairy lights in it, and 2 water bottles which we bought from Reliance Market. And on the curtains we have put these star lights for beautiful look. These are some of my DIYs and sunglasses, watches of my husband he uses daily. These are some of the awards my husband got from his company for good performance. This is our TV and virtual assistant Alexa. Now let's go to my daughter's bedroom. This is her bed and her soft toys. Here we have a wardrobe and I cover it with a curtain. This is her toy box, study box and tricycle and her blanket which she never uses. These are the curtains in my hall and a way to kitchen and our bedroom. This is our bathroom attached with western toilet. In the right side is our bedroom, which is very spacious. This is the laptop table which my husband uses for his office work, and I also use the laptop for my video editing. These are some of the books collection, and this is one of the indoor plant with a beautiful toy. This is our bed. This is our room cabinet. On top of it, there is a copper water jar which has lot of benefits, and this is money plant. And this is the place where we keep the cosmetics and medicines. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.